In a sun-drenched garden, Mew, a small boy, chases butterflies, his laughter echoing through the colorful blooms. The air buzzes with bees as Mew leaps playfully, his eyes fixed on the fluttering wings. Sunlight catches the riot of colors as Mew's joyous pursuit fills the garden with life. Mew, lost in pursuit, stumbles on the garden path. The cheerful scene shifts as he falls. His laughter abruptly stops, replaced by tears welling in his eyes. A stark contrast to the garden's joy. Soft sobs punctuate the air, momentarily dimming the garden's bright and cheerful atmosphere. A small, colorful bird flutters down, a vibrant flower clutched in its beak. The bird gently places the bright flower in Mew's lap, a splash of color against his somber mood. Tears drying, Mew looks up at the bird, wonder in his eyes. "Thank you, friend," he whispers, smiling.